Okay, thankfully all them was staged. Y'all saw me trying to curl my hair with the soldering iron. Okay, like all them was staged burns. Okay, but yesterday I burned myself for real with this sucker right here. Let me show you what happened. Let me show you what I did to correct it. So let me set the stage. I'm in the garage. I'm actually filming a video. So I'm showing how I paint these ping pong balls. I use a screwer. I put a hole in it with the soldering iron or wood burner, whatever you want to call it. So I'm doing good. I put the hole in it and I pop it on the stick. Now, here's when the problem comes in. After I pop it on the stick, I go to grab it to do the other side, and bam, I grab it by the freaking hot part. Okay, I'm gonna look at it again. I'm sitting down, I'm doing what I do, put it on, bam! Look, that shit hurt, but hey, I'm a G, I'm a trooper. I go ahead and I finish what I'm doing, put it on, and then I get up and I look. That is a serious ass burn. Oh, I got to put the burn remedy. That shit hurt. Oops, back to cursing crafter days. Listen, that was real time. Needless to say, it hurt. I did not need to dial 911 or go to the hospital, but it dang on hurt, and it was a bad enough burn that it could set up an infection. So I did what I had to do. Let me give you this home remedy for these little pesky burns. That right? Mustard. Listen, mustard will make that burn heal for some reason within 5 or 10 minutes. Listen, I grew up in the South. I'm from Alabama. I know you can tell by this proper upstate voice that I come from the deep damn South. So when I grew up, our thing was you burn yourself and you run and get some butter on and put it on there. Don't know why, cause butter really didn't work. I got a burn right here on my leg that I got when I was 10 years old. About 10 years old, about 10, 11, up in Virginia. And we put butter on it and it's still a stain. I mean, it's still a scar. But this mustard, my friend burned his leg, damn near blew it off a couple of years ago, trying to mess with a barbecue grill. So all this was burned, the skin off and everything. So he was trying to do it himself. He done went and got all kind of salve and all kind of stuff because he didn't want to go to the hospital. So his mother told him to get some mustard and smear that mustard on there. I mean, it was burned. He was eventually going to have to go to the hospital. So what he do? He said, well, I ain't got nothing to leave. He put nothing to lose, so he put the mustard on there. Y'all, it healed in about 2 days, and it was a bad burn. I wish I could find pictures of it. I don't know if I have it. If I have them, I insert them. But hell, you already saw my finger. Just imagine that all on his leg. So I ran my butt over to the sink and I put the mustard on, y'all. It healed. It stopped. You know, you get that little heartbeat in there. That stopped immediately. This is the next day. But I'll, hold on. Wait, I'm trying to turn on the light. So, this is that big old bubble. I only put mustard on there once. You can continue to put it on, but I was actually crafting. But, y'all look at there. When I say it was burned to the white meat, that's what it felt like. It was burned. But y'all saw that immediate blister. So, as I said, and as the title say, this is something no one who uses these hot handheld tools should be without. And it's mustard. Y'all, simple, just mustard. Now, I use French's mustard because that's the only mustard I like to use. So I've only did this with French's, but I'm sure any kind of mustard will work. Quick, simple tip. Keep you some mustard around. Better yet, use them dang on finger guards, y'all. I'm going to insert a picture right here. Here. So, I inserted the picture a second ago. Get you some finger guards and wear them. But until then, get you some mustard and keep it around when you're working with them hot tools. beauticians with curling irons, hot glue, soldering irons, all that, y'all. That stuff works. Don't say I ain't never gave you a free tip. That's it.